And they're off. El Kabeir broke well, then bobbled a bit right after the start. Ostrolenker is going out for the lead with Accurate right there. NASA's 3 wide. El Kabeir will be 4 wide going into the clubhouse turn. Just in behind the front runners, Mini Cosmo and Royal Berg. Now we are free. Is 7th with a 5-length gap back to General Bellamy, who trails the field in 8th. And the field has reached the backstretch, the opening quarter mile over the good inner track in 23 3/5 seconds. Ostrolenka is the leader here by a length over NASA. El Kabeir in the clear on the outside in 3rd. Accurate runs in 4th, about 4.5 from the front. Royal Berg is in between horses. Now we are free is on the outside, and Mini Cosmo down at the rail, and it's a big break back to General Bellamy. The half went in 48 2/5 seconds. Ostrolenka challenged here by NASA. They're heads apart for the lead, and the favorite El Kabeir is right there in 3rd and now moving up, so 3 of them across. Ostrolenker at the rail, NASA in between, El Kabeir on the outside, 4 lengths to Accurate in 4th. Farther back, it's Mini Cosmo in 5th, 3/4 in 1:13 3, and the newly turned 3-year-olds head for home in the Jerome. And here's El Kabeir now to take over the lead. El Kabeir's in front. NASA is running in 2nd, then Accurate and Ostrolenka. El Kabeir has built a 3-length lead and just the 16th to the wire. And on this gray day at Aqueduct, it's the gray colt El Kabeir to take the Jerome. NASA was 2nd. General Bellamy came from way out of it to finish 3rd.